Brad Williams, XL Prime. How about another version of trunk and mod? Here we have trunk and mod. I'll go through this quickly because there's another tutorial on the same topic further down the road. I'll just explain it to you real quick. The trunk, it is a sledgehammer approach to removing the decimal. Well, here we have B5 minus trunk. If we just look at the trunk, it's going to remove and just give us the whole number. Separated numeric measurement by decimal. If you want to see this white control down there, we just remove all of the decimal. If you want to see it, the decimal, we just subtract trunk by the entire number. Mod, here's a shortcut. What is mod? We're going to return the remainder after dividing. If it's 1, in other words, here you're using 1, your answer is going to be 988,677,8.447. Because we're taking this 5.98, we're dividing it by the integer. Maybe it's not a whole number, maybe it is the integer. Because I don't think the 0 is going to show up here. If I remember correctly, a whole number includes 0. Without going into mod, if we're using this 1, your answer is going to be 988 here, or any part of the decimal. But the mod function, the technical side is not shown here. I think it's in 7.11 or 7.14. You're going to see an overkill on mod. I go a little crazy explaining it, so I'm going to leave it at this level here. Negative values cause the integer function to act differently. In this example, we use trunk, and integers do some crazy stuff, and I go into that a little bit later. If you need a better explanation of trunk, to obtain only the decimal portion, you can create a formula using the trunk, B5 trunk. We're just getting the decimal portion. XL includes several rounding functions. Okay, this is pretty much a repeat of what you're going to see coming up. So I'm going to leave it at that. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks a lot.